If you're security conscious and want to make sure no one can access your control center while your iPhone is locked, there's a simple setting you can change. In this video, I'll show you how to hide control center on the lock screen of your iPhone. After watching this video, you'll know how to keep your control center safe and sound. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to keep prying eyes off your control center. To get started, open up the settings, scroll down, and tap on Face ID and passcode. And now go ahead and type in the password for your iPhone. Once you typed that in, you'd see something like this. So now what you want to do next is scroll down. And you'll see a section called Allow Access when locked, and the control center is turned on, which means that anyone can access your control center from the lock screen even without unlocking your iPhone. So in order to disable it, simply toggle this off. And now no one can access your control center when your iPhone is locked, but you can access it after you unlock your phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.